Hey folks, we are putting up some blinds today because Mama doesn't like to look inside the building from the outside. So what I did was I went and picked up some blinds that match the exact same blinds that are on the front of the house. So if you're pulling up or whatever, right, the shop will look identical to the home and everybody will be happy. So these are very straightforward deals. These are from Home Depot. They're called Home Decorators Collection. In this case, I needed the 68-inch width to fit that window. So we're just going to install these brackets. They come with little adhesive, two-sided tape on them. So you can go ahead and put them in the corners right away. And there's no rocket science to this. Just kind of space them out. All right. Now there's 4 of them, and we shall do that. Maybe we should time lapse it. I'm not gonna waste your time with a bunch of freaking, whatever. Let me speed up the action. Now, if that got any easier, I'd win the lottery. So, these are very nice blinds. They're kind of plastic, and they got that sort of wood look to them with a nice trim piece right here. And it really adds a little something to the room. But anyhow, so they open, and I actually could position them like this, and they're cordless. So you just lift up on them. Okay? Pretty nice. Hope she likes them. Let me go all the way up. Let Mother Nature in. All right. So there you have it. Turn the camera and get you a close-up look. Nice.